Hello, I'm Vishal, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Dallas. Today, I'm going to show you how to troubleshoot HTTP 403 errors when you use Amazon CloudFront to deliver your content. Let's get started. If you get HTTP 403 errors when you are accessing content through CloudFront, then check your configurations. First, check if you associated the domain name with canonical name record on the CloudFront distribution. If not, then CloudFront will return a 403 error even when the CNAME redirects to CloudFront at the DNS level. To add the CNAME, open the CloudFront console. In the navigation pane, choose Distributions and then select your distribution. Choose the General tab and then add CNAME under Alternate Domain Name. Finally, choose the Save Changes. Next, review your CloudFront Geographic Restriction settings. If you restricted viewer access by country, then viewers in the restricted countries will get a 403 error. To adjust the geographic restrictions, on the CloudFront console, choose Distributions in the navigation pane. Then, select the distribution you want to update. Choose the Security tab. And then, choose Geographic Restrictions. Choose Edit. Choose Allow List. Then, either modify an existing allow list or create an allow list to allow countries. In geographic restrictions, I have allowed United States. So all the countries except the United States will be receiving HTTP 403 error when they try to access the content from this particular CloudFront distribution. If you are using AWS WAF with CloudFront, then misconfigured AWS WAF rules might cause 403 errors. To check your rules, open the AWS WAF console and then choose Resources and Protection Packs Web ACLs. Then make sure your region is global for the CloudFront. Select your Web ACL. Review the rules and make any necessary changes. For more information about how to resolve this issue, see the AWS Knowledge Center article. How do I resolve the 403 error? The request could not be satisfied. Request blocked. Error in CloudFront. That's linked in this video's description. For an Amazon Simple Storage service, Amazon S3 as origin, check that the S3 bucket policy and bucket settings allow CloudFront access. For information about how to check the bucket policy and settings, see the 403 access denied Knowledge Center article that are linked in the video's description. For a custom origin, check the origin's access logs to see if it is returning a HTTP 403 error. You can also try to access the origin and replicate the issue. If you activated Restrict Viewer Access, then make sure that you correctly configured the signed URLs or signed cookies. To confirm, open the CloudFront console. Select the distribution and then choose the Behavior tab. Select the behavior and then review the settings under Restrict Viewer Access. Finally, check that Viewer Protocol Policy matches how viewers are accessing your content. If you set the policy to HTTPS only, but your viewers are using HTTP, then they'll all get a 403 error. So now you know the key areas to check when troubleshooting HTTP 403 errors with Amazon CloudFront distribution. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.